What's up, dope girl gang? Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not. Today's video is going to be on how I got these super easy DIY zebra nails. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, so for this look, we're going to be using the Macart Long Coffin nails, and what I'm going to be doing is just like sizing out my nails. I already put on all of my other nails off camera because I wasn't recording, but right here you'll just see me doing my thumbnails, and I'm just going to e-file my nails so that the surface has the glue that I'm going to be using has something to grip to. Blah, excuse me. So yeah, I'm just going to be e-filing my nails and giving the glue some grip. Then next, I'm going to be using this Typhoon brush on nail glue that I got off of Amazon. I will definitely be leaving the link to this product below. So what I'm going to do is brush it on the nail and then on my real nail. And I'm just going to be pushing down so that there's no air bubbles in the glue and my nail. Well, more so, no air bubbles between the fake nail and my actual nail with the glue. So I want to make sure that there's no bubbles so that there's no lifting, because that's what causes lifting. If there's air bubbles between the glue and your actual nail and the tip, there's going to be lifting. And I'm not going to bore you and show you like both my nails, both hands, but yeah, I'm just going to show you me doing the left hand. So right now I'm just roughing up the surface of the false tip, because you want to make sure that when you're applying gel polish or gel anything, that you have a rough base so that it sticks and it doesn't just like peel and lift off. I feel like that's what a lot of people get, a lot of lifting on their nails or on their polish because they don't rough up the actual tip enough. So you want to make sure that it's rough and the gel has something to stick to. For this step, you can use a buffer. I was just too lazy to go get my buffer, so I just used my nail file. It worked well. So yeah, you can do a nail file if you don't have a buffer, and yeah. So now I'm just going to be using my builder base, which is this builder in a bottle. I love this stuff so much. I got it off of Amazon actually. So I will, of course, link it below for you guys. And let me tell you, this makes the actual the tip so much thicker. It feels like you have like acrylic. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not as thick as acrylic, but trust me, it makes it so the nail doesn't like bend or break or whatever. And sometimes I like to do two. Excuse me, y'all, I'm getting text messages, but sometimes I like to do two coats of this to just get me some more thickness to my nail. And I would recommend using two coats of this, but I didn't this time. My nails still lasted, they were fine, but yeah, just for some more added security, I suggest doing two coats. And I was just being lazy this time, but I'm definitely going to be doing two coats next time. And you just want to make sure that you're getting an even layer on the nails and that you're getting the sides, the tips, the edges. You want to make sure that you are covering the entire nail with this builder in a bottle so that you get an even coat. So because you're not going to be able to file this, you want to make sure that it's even. And then I'm going to be curing it in my UV lamp for 90 seconds. And then after this step, I would suggest adding another coat. I didn't. I was being lazy, and I just went straight into using a base coat. And this base coat that you see me using here is also from Amazon. It came in a set, and I will definitely, like I said, link it below. It actually came in a set with a top coat, base coat, and white and black gel polishes, which I used in this tutorial. So yeah, I will definitely link that below for you guys. And like I said before, doing an even coat of the base coat on each nail, and then I'm going to be curing it in my lamp for 60 seconds. And you just want to make sure you're cleaning up any spillage around your nails, because it's just easier to clean it up before you cure. But I mean, you can always just get rid of it like with the nail file or like cuticle nippers or whatever, but it's just easier if there's less cleanup, after the fact. And this is what my nails look like. And now we're gonna just go into adding our color, and I'm gonna start with the white first. And you can put the white on any nails you want, put the black on any nail you want. This is just what I did. So, oh my goodness, I used my ring finger, and I believe it was my pointer finger for the designs on this specific look. So yeah, that's why I'm just doing white on these nails, and I'll be doing black on the other nails. And I'm gonna stop talking now so y'all can just watch me do this. I'm actually gonna just clean up the white and then cure my nails, because like I said, I'm just gonna and cure, clean up before I cure, because it's just easier this way to make sure that things are, a little bit less hectic when you go to do the cleanup process at the end. So yeah, I'm just using the back of like my cuticle pusher to, get rid of any extras on my skin and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna cure and then move into the black. And y'all already know the drill. It's time to clean up around the edges. And here I am again, just cleaning up the my black nails. I'm just cleaning up around the edges to make sure that my cleanup time at the end is less hectic. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then we're gonna cure once again. And we're gonna cure this for 60 seconds. You can do 90 seconds, but I'm gonna do another coat on top of this anyway, so I just cured it for 60 seconds. And here we are moving into coat 2 for the black and the white. And I just left it, oh my goodness, I just left it at at 2 coats. And yeah, so I did 2 coats on the black and 2 coats on the white. And then I moved into designing. You're going to want to cure your nails for 90 seconds this time so that you make sure that everything is dry. And now I'm just going to be filing around the edges and cleaning up, any late any like sloppy messes around the edges and stuff like that, and just like reshaping my nails, because once you do gel, I find that the shape of your nail starts to get like a little bit discombobulated and kind of thick. OMG. So yeah, I just am filing, and now I'm gonna start designing. um I'm just using this brush. I got it from, I want to say like Shein or something, but it's just like a really skinny brush. And I'm sorry, the design is kind of like out of frame, but all I'm doing is I'm dipping the brush into the color, and I am getting a decent amount on the brush, and I'm just using the back of the brush and pulling towards the front. I don't know if that makes sense. Um, but I'm using like the fatter part of the brush and leaving that on the edge of the nail, and then like pulling the skinny part into the middle of the nail so that the design looks um, skinny in the middle and fat at the edge. I don't know if that makes sense how I'm explaining it. I will try to do another video where I'm doing like lines so that you guys can see exactly what I'm doing, but it was so simple and super easy. I promise. And now I'm just applying a base coat. I mean, excuse me, not a base coat. I'm applying a top coat, and then I am going to cure this for 90 seconds. I'm applying the top coat to all the nails after I cure the design. Excuse me, I cure the design, and then I'm applying a top coat to all of the nails. And again, y'all already know the drill. I'm cleaning up around the edges and making sure that everything is like, perfectly, the shape that I like, the thickness that I like. I'm just using my nail file, and I am cleaning it all up and making sure that it looks good. You know what I'm saying? Period, poos. And this is I'm almost done with the look, but now, oh my gosh, I'm just using this what's this called? The same brush on nail glue to apply my gems. And this actually had my gems lasting for a while. So I actually like this nail glue. So I'm just using this and this picker tool, or whatever tool that I got from Amazon. I will, of course, link the set that I got this in below if I can find it. I actually got some new ones, so I'm going to try those on my next nail video. So we going to see y'all. But yeah, I'm just applying the nail, wow, the nail gems with the picker tool, and then I'm actually going to use some top coat over everything again, just so that it holds onto the gems, and I'll get some extra shine on my nails. So that's what I'm doing right now, and yeah. So once everything is done and you have applied your top coat, you're just going to dry this for 90 seconds. So you make sure everything is hard. And this is your final outcome, y'all. So this is what my nails ended up looking like. These lasted for 2 weeks. Believe it or not, they lasted for 2 weeks. So if you guys are interested in seeing more nail tutorials, make sure that you give this video a like, and make sure you comment, do all those good things, subscribe, share this video, and yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.